Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So, lastly, I want to look at the importance. I would like to look at the importance of kingdom Protoctista. For example, we can say number one, some, e.g., amoeba, they cause diseases. So that's an economic importance. In fact, e.g., we have a disease that is called amoebic dysentery. So you can see the word amoebic. That means that it is caused by an amoeba, amoebic dysentery. We look at another importance. Another importance of the members of kingdom Protoctista, especially the algae, they are photosynthetic. So being photosynthetic, that means that they add oxygen into the water. When they carry out photosynthesis and they produce oxygen, that oxygen is beneficial to other aquatic organisms that we have in the water. So you can say that algae, or you can say that photosynthetic algae, let us be specific, that photosynthetic algae enrich water with oxygen, for survival of aquatic life forms. So that's why we are going to stop for today. We have learned the characteristics of kingdom Protoctista. We have seen that they are eukaryotic. We have seen that they have diverse locomotory structures as listed there: amoeba, pseudopodia, paramecium, cilia, and the others. We have some that are autotrophic, that make their own food. Others, they rely on already manufactured food, that is heterotrophic. They reproduce asexually. For example, amoeba reproduces by binary fission. And then finally, we have looked at how important are they. We have said that they cause diseases such as amoebic dysentery. You can even talk of diseases such as malaria. Malaria is caused by a Plasmodium, which is also a Protoctista, a member of kingdom Protoctista.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.